So very good morning boys and girls. I hope you all copied the CW as I directed. So today we are going to start exercise 10.1. Okay, probably we are going to finish this first Roman and second Roman, of which some questions I will give as homework. So page number 96, I am going to start exercise 10.1. So now I will show you how to copy the CW. So follow it and then copy the CW accordingly. Okay, look here. So in the fresh page, put exercise 10.1 and write here today's date. Write in Roman numerals. Please write like this. Okay, one by one. Okay, she copied all, but only we are going to discuss some of this and some you will write in HW. Okay, in HW also follow the same process. So let us start. Okay, so exercise 10.1, as I told, this heading and this one and the sub questions you will write with black as I am writing, and the solutions you will write with blue. And look, I am doing only A, B, D, E. Rest of the leftover questions you have to write in HW as today's homework. So 13. Usually first I will show you the traditional method. Actually this is not at all required. So 13, how will write 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means what is the symbol for 10? X, and what is the symbol for 1? I, 1 I. Okay, this is the way how they usually write the Roman numerals for the given numbers. As you already know how to write this, I am just explaining this only for your understanding. You can directly write like this. So I am writing for the next question like that. 21. So 10 plus 10, 20, and I gives 1, 21. Next 39. So x gives 10, x gives 10, and x gives 10, 39. Lastly 9. Okay, so 39. 22. X 10, x 10, 10 plus 10, 20, and 1, 1, 22. So 20 plus 2, 22. 30 plus 9, 39. 20 plus 1, 21. Okay, you can directly write like this. This explanation only for your understanding. When you get larger numbers, we have to follow that way. Okay, so the leftover problems in this you have to do in HW for today. Let us move to second Roman. Okay, now exercise 10.1 second Roman, same pattern. Follow this black pen for the questions and the answer for, and the blue pen for answers. So write in Hindu Arabic numerals. As I told, Hindu Arabic numeral or Indian system of numeration or Indian number system, all are same. So sometimes if they ask you to write in Indian system, then don't get confused. Hindu Arabic system, Indian system, both are same. So let us start. So X, I am just, and for your understanding I am explaining the process. 10 plus 10 plus ix. Okay, just look, if you are quite clear, no need to follow this. As I told, in one of the rules, if smaller symbol is to the left of the greater, what we have to do? Greater minus smaller. What is the greater? 10 minus 1. Then that should be 10 plus 9, which is equal to 29. Okay, 10 plus 9, that is equal to 29. Otherwise directly you can write. In the future classes, if you get any big numbers like this, this is the procedure you have to follow. Otherwise directly write 29. Next here, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Next 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. This one, x 10, 10 plus 6, 16. Okay, Please copy this in the CW. Here also I left some problems which you have to do as homework. Okay, so let us move to the next. So now exercise 10.1, third Roman, place the correct sign is equal to or not equal to. I hope you all know this symbol. This is not equal. Equal to or not equal to in the space provided. That means this is the fill in the blank type question. So you don't copy anything in CW. Only first Roman and second Roman only you have to copy in CW. I wrote here just to explain the process. So you can directly mark the answers of this Roman in textbook. I will tell you. Okay, so let us see. So they are asking whether we have to put is equal to or not equal to in this space. Look, what is the Hindu Arabic value of this Roman numeral? As you know, it is 10 plus 8, or you can write 5 plus 1 plus 1 also, not a problem. So total 28. Here what is the value of this addition? 20 plus 8, 28. Now can we say that these two are equal? Yes. So writing this 28 as XXV111 like this, or 28 as 20 plus 8, both are same. So mark is equal to. Okay, tomorrow we'll finish all this Roman. Now I will show you again how to copy today's CW. Please follow me carefully. Okay, look. So as I explained, keep this heading, write today's name, first Roman. Okay, write only the questions which I discussed in the class here by writing question with black and answer with blue. For second Roman also you have to follow the same process. Please don't copy side like this. You copy one by one only. Okay, third Roman anyway we will do in textbook tomorrow. And for the HW questions you copy the same pattern. That means black and blue, the same process is for HW also. Hope you are clear. Have a great day.